Hello friends, welcome to Stock Wizard. I am Sushil Pawar and today we are diving deep into mid-cap stock that made its mark in every Indian kitchen. Adani Wilmar Limited. From fortune oil to rice, atta and sugar, it's everywhere. But the real question is, should you invest in it? Let's break it down with fundamentals, technicals and a smart entry strategy. Let's begin. Now let us see company overview. Adani Wilmar Limited or AWL is a joint venture between Adani Group and Wilmar International from Singapore. Founded in 1999, it operates in three key segments: edible oil, led by flagship brand Fortune, food products like atta, rice, pulses, sugar, industry essentials including oleochemicals and castor oils. Thanks to Adani's logistic strength and Wilmar International network, AWL has an extensive rural and urban distribution reach. Fundamental analysis. Let's now move on to the heart of our analysis, the fundamentals. Market cap is 35,904 Cr. The current price is rupees 277. 52-week high and low is 404 and 232 respectively. PE ratio is 31.3, slightly high but expected for a consumer staple business and like the brand of AWL. ROC is 20.9%, which is strong. ROE 13.9%, which is decent. Operating profit growth is 36.8%, which shows high profit return of the company. Price to book value is 3.81. It seems to be on the higher side, but for a brand like AWL, it's fairly valued. Debt to equity is 0.21, which shows almost no debt on the company. The intrinsic value is 223. Actually, the intrinsic value shows the actual value of the company taking into consideration the assets and liabilities. What is the red flag I could see in this company is the growth over the past 3 years is just 5.55%, which is not very impressive for a brand of this size. However, it remains a consistent and stable stock, not explosive but dependable, perfect for conservative long-term portfolios. What is the positive side? The priority score is 9, which suggests solid financial strength. Now we'll see the profit and loss statement of AWL. Sales for the March 2019 is 28,797 Cr and in March 2025 it is 63,672 Cr. So there is a growth of around 121%. That's very impressive. Net profit for 2019 is 376 Cr and net profit for 2025 is 1226 Cr. Nearly 3x jump, and in terms of percentage it is 728%, which is an outstanding growth. Operating profit for the March 2019 is 1131 and thereafter the company has given a steady profit around the year with the highest of 2486 Cr in March 2025, which is really impressive. Operating margins stood at 4%, 3% and 2%, thin but consistent due to commodity nature of oil. EPS for March 2019 is 32.86 and in March 2024 it is 1.14. Here we can see a dip in the EPS, which is the reason why stock price has fallen from 839.95 to 251.95. But going ahead in March 2025, EPS has shown an improvement to 9.43. Again, the growth is not that explosive, but Adani Wilmar has been a steady performer with predictable returns. Now let's dive into technical side of Adani Wilmar using TradingView. AWL got listed in February 2022 at Rs 230 and soon rallied all the way to 839. But after the strong move, the stock corrected nearly 72% and settled back around its IPO level. I have drawn support and resistance and trend line for better understanding of the price movements. Now here's the interesting part. It has formed a strong base around 235 and 286 zone. This level has been tested multiple times and each time buyers have stepped in. That's a classic accumulation zone. The current resistance is at 286.15. So here's the key. If the stock gives a breakout above 286 with good volumes, we can expect an upside towards 403 in the short term. Beyond 403, the next resistance zone are 506 and 730. From a price action perspective, this setup shows a rounded bottom, a reliable reversal signal combined with its increasing volumes, and it could trigger a breakout. I always use a 5-day candles, not the traditional format of 1 week, because they show institutional activity early and with more precision. What I am perceiving is that smart money slowly accumulating. This video is for educational purpose only. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. Please do your own research or consult a certified financial advisor before making any decisions. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe to Stock Wizard and comment your thoughts on Adani Wilmar. Let me know which stock should I analyze next.